Take a ride in the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, all-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.